Hi there guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salom. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Mihlali Damase and Bay, or alleged husband Leeroy are at a vacation in Mauritius currently, and I must say Riyabaduma as they look so much happy together, as pictures of them in Mauritius is currently doing its round on social media, you guys. Well, after last week, we have been speculating that the two have tied the knot, even though Leeroy have rubbished the allegations, you guys. And now people are saying that those two are in a honeymoon in Mauritius. Now, what's most shocking was a revelation that Musa Kaula made with pictures to prove that Leeroy is disrespecting his first wife, Mary Jane Sedambe, after Musa took out pictures which revealed the very same place in Mauritius he is with Mihlali is the very same place they took his wife, Mary Jane, while they were still together, you guys. Musa wrote this on Twitter. Mihlali Damase and Leeroy are at the same location in Mauritius where Mary Jane and Leeroy went in 2018 to celebrate his birthday. Now you guys, also what's shocking is that Leeroy once bought matching outfits for Mary Jane and Mihlali when he was still together with Mary Jane Sedambe. You guys, I am not understanding what's going on. Is he trying to embarrass Mary Jane Sedambe? Does he not love her? What's going on? Like, honestly, the amount of disrespect, you guys. Now please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.